Chance and gone! Direct hit. Babar Azam run out. That's gone up in the air. Clears the field. Has he done it? Straight. Gone. Aerial. Gone big. Up in the air. It's cleared the infield. And 4. That's smashed and well fielded. Almost. That's 4.
Drift down leg side. It's picked up and taken. This one goes big and goes all the way.
Oh, that's appreciable spin, and they're very, very happy with the end result now.
Oh, he's picked that up. That's too straight, and that's gone. Length's not right. That's been hammered as well.
High, hard, not long enough though. Should be out, it is out, really comfortable. In the gap, and beautifully timed as well. Swung away, sounded good, is good. Mid-wicket.
That's a nice crack again, and straight to the player. Oh, it's another full toss. It's a low full toss, and he might have picked up a wicket. Oh, that's the top edge. That's gone high.
Slow goes big and in typical fashion clears the rope.